Hosting a master's student is a great opportunity to develop someone in a research career in an environment that is very industry-based because it's so different from academia.
It provides another avenue for our chemistry teaching. We're all familiar with the academic path. We all came from there, myself included, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, we also need to drive chemistry in industry. And there's been a bit of a divide, be it purposeful or accidental, between what industry does and what academia does. That's artificial at best, and it's certainly not helpful. Clearly, in recent years, that transition has been occurring and continues to occur, and it's fantastic. This master's program is a way of codifying that in a very clear and positive way. So the ability to be part of a training program that takes somebody who's interested in chemistry into a job in industry is wonderful. And it's an opportunity that we should embrace with both hands and really drive.
So I would hope that PPG Industries would be able to get a master's student to come into this project and be able to work on some really novel and interesting innovation that would allow us to take a product to our customer in, say, a couple of years' time that would really be able to wow them. So really taking a product from the early stages through to commercialization would be fantastic.
We're looking for someone who can give us better understanding of what it is that we observe and that we are trying to do. We're looking for people who can think flexibly and adapt what they know to the needs out there.